NFS, which is nothing but the network file system, is a distributed file system that allows various remote systems to access a file. We all know that files should be stored on a central server for security and ease of backup. NFS provides us this service of file sharing, which is easily manageable and controls the client access to our resources. Hi everyone, this is Aditya, and in this video I am going to show you how you can set up your NFS server. For that I am going to using Kubernetes Playground. So I have launched my cluster. The first step you will have to do is set up your NFS. You will have to get install it on first. You can use apt-get install NFS kernel server. It will install NFS on your machine. To check the mounting, we will need to get install it on worker node also. So you can use same command over node 2. You can see our NFS server is getting installed on node 2, node 1 sorry, and it is installed on master node. The next step we will have to do is we are going to make two different directories. So you can use mkdir command. We are going to name it as a my data 1 and my data 2. And we will have to change the permission of these directories. So it will be readable and writable and executable also by all user. So we can do this by chmod 777 and name of our directories. We will also have to change the ownership. This will change ownership to the nobody to the no group. Same here, we will also have to mention the directory's name which we want to change the ownership. Now the next thing is we will have to mention these directories on our export file. So we are going to open export in vi editor. Here you will have to mention the name of your directories you want to export. So we want to export my data 1 and my data 2, so we will have to mention separately here. So we are going to mention first my data 1. We are going to give it some permission like read, write, sync also. One more extra permission we are going to use it here is no root squash. It will allow user on a remote node to access everything which is available on NFS server. So no root squash will do that. Now we will have to mention it for my data 2 directory also. So we can just paste the same command. Just we will have to name it at my data 2. We are done with vi editor, so hyphen wq we can close it. Now the next command we will have to run it export fs. It will make local directories available for NFS client to mount. So it is going to make it available for our directories to mount it. Due to lab environment I am not able to show you, but it has get mounted. So now the next thing we will have to do is we will have to restart the NFS server. So you can use systemctl restart NFS server dot service. We will have to enable it also. You can use the same command, just change restart with enable. Yes, we have enabled it also. Now the next thing we will have to do is take IP address of our NFS. You can see here 117.172.17.0. 18. You will need it while mounting it on a worker. Before that, we will have to create one directory here. We are going to create test1 so that we will mount test1 with our NFS. Mount, you will have to paste your IP address. Let me just type the same 172.17.0.18. You will also have to mention which directory you want to mount on from NFS. So we are going to mount it on my data 1, and you have to mention the directories from node 2 also, so which is net test 1. It has mounted. You can check here, you can see my data 1 NFS 4. The df-st command will show the disk, which the disk space used in the file system. The df stand for disk file system, and it defines the number of blocks which are using, and the hyphen t will show the type of file, and the hyphen p print type is used to display the file system type. You can see the file system type here also. Now we are going to mount same my test one with my data to directory. So we will have to use same IP 172.17.0.18. The change we will have to make it here is change my data to, and we are going to mount on a same directory which is test1. It has also got mounted. You can check my data to NFS4.